What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to be covering the best CRM for property management. Now in front of us, you can see a platform called GoHighLevel. Now GoHighLevel is all-in-one marketing platform, but it's also a CRM that can be used for a lot of different business categories. Now in this case, we're talking about property management. So what are the features that you can actually use in GoHighLevel to have a CRM for property management? And why is it a good pick for property management? Now, obviously, I will take you through some of the features, but if you want to try this on your own, you can click the first link in the description. We have 30-day free trial, so you can check that out and see if that is even worth it for you. Now, one thing that I really like about GoHighLevel is you have two different views. You have a sub-account view, which is a view where you can manage your own business through, and you have an agency view. An agency view is essentially your admin panel, and then sub-account is essentially where you are pretty much adjusting things like adding leads to the CRM, automating leads, and stuff like that. Now, in terms of the GoHighLevel, let me switch here to my second sub account. GoHighLevel is all-in-one platform. It is a really great for property management, for real estate in specific. Now, what you get here is you get opportunities. Now, opportunities is where you can kind of sort your leads, right? So this is how you can sort your leads. And each of these leads, right? So let's say this is an opportunity. This is a lead. This is my name, by the way, is just a dummy contact here. But I can, whenever I go and whenever I drag this to a lead stage, like for example, follow up here, I will trigger an automation. And I can trigger an automation by going here to automations, and I can create an automation that will trigger based on the movement in my CRM right here. Now, you get obviously contact, lead management pipelines. You also get email, SMS, phone, landing pages, scheduling, forms. Everything is bundled in GoHighLevel. And for a property manager, you may have owner leads, tenant leads, maybe property listing leads, like service vendor leads, etc. So having a unified platform really helps reduce tool fragmentation, right? So using different tools. Now, obviously, you have smart lists. So in the contacts, this is where you can add the contacts, and you have smart lists, so you can import contacts. By the way, we have a lot of tutorials on that, how you can import contacts. And then we have, obviously, once you import contacts, which you can do with a sheet, you can then, select all of the contacts. You can even call those contacts, whatever you want, you can do that. So for property management, where there are many touch points like inquiries about units, move in, out, maintenance requests, renewals, the automation plus communication plus pipeline strategy works really well. Now, another way how you can use, obviously, GoHighLevel for a property management is lead capture and funneling of many types of content. So for a property manager, you may want to capture leads for rentals, sales, property owners who want listing services, maintenance, vendor registration, etc. So GoHighLevel offers right here, if you go to sites, it does offer, let me skip this for now, funnels and websites. So essentially, what you can do, and this is really helpful, is you have offers for funnel, landing page, and then you just go to the builder, and those forms will feed into the CRM, so you can capture those various streams of leads. So for example, you have form builder. This is where you can create a form. So as you can see, this is one of the forms here. Let me just preview the form here. And whenever I can embed this on a website, and whenever someone comes to the website, that contact will be available here, okay? And it will be available in the opportunities section right here. Now, again, we will cover this in many other tutorials. I'm just giving you an overview on what you can do for property management. Now, also, for pipeline and workflow management, GoHighLevel supports sales, transaction pipelines, managing where each contact is in the journey. This is what I'm talking about here. You also have multi-channel communication like conversations here. So you have conversations. You can also have like a phone dialer here. So if I click enable, allow, this is where I can have a phone dialer if I purchase a phone number. So this is where I can kind of go and purchase the phone number, and phone numbers are literally like $1 to $2, especially in the US. So that's one thing also that is really beneficial. Now, another thing that I really like for property management is, you'll need to know metrics like lead volume, response time. This is everything you get in dashboard. So this is where you get opportunity status, opportunity value, conversion, funnel, stage distribution. So you're getting everything in one place, which is really cool. Now, obviously, the last thing about GoHighLevel, I didn't even cover most of the features for property management, but I gotta say, if your property management business grows, you might have many properties, many units, many stakeholders. So using a system that supports multiple pipelines. So if you go to opportunities, you have multiple different pipelines here. So as you can see, I have a pipeline for a cleaning business, for private equity. I can have multiple different pipelines. And this is really great for scalability for property management, allowing you to tailor data fields. And, also because GoHighLevel does offer unlimited sub accounts for agencies. This is in a 297 plan. Or you can just go to our 30-day free trial and you can test this out for yourself. You can do this for multi-property and multi-portfolio setup. So if you want more tutorials on how to use GoHighLevel for specifically property management, we can definitely go and show you how to do that. We can even create some free templates for you. But yeah, definitely, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.